Okay, hi. I got my copy of Architectural 2019 open, and I just drew a box here, and Auto Roofs is on. So that's what you usually get. You'll just build the hip roofs over the box that you draw. Now, I'm going to go to the wall tool here and draw a column. It doesn't do anything until I close this phase. See, now it's done that. Let's take a look at it. I just created hip roofs over it because that's what it's programmed to do. Now, if I wanted this to extend all the way, let me just take this. Tell you what, I'm going to hit Shift and F6 to tile the screen so you can watch this develop on a split screen. I'm going to take these three walls here and copy them. And by default, the walls would form a room. You know, I did that little indentation thing. So if I want this to be completely smooth across the front, which is I think is what you want, go to the wall tools and select room divider and make the little room here. Now, of course, it created a floor there. That's, again, what it's programmed to do. We'll open the dialog box of this quote-unquote room and name it open below. That's one way to do it. Open below, which would remove the floor, see? So that's, and with Architectural Suite Essentials, you can't click on the roofs and select them and so forth. You can't manipulate them manually with your cursor like you can in Home Designer Pro. I think for our purposes, I'm going to open that dialog box and not show the label. Because I'm just doing this to get the roof built. Now, as the roof is built, I'm going to go over here to, excuse me, build. Is it build? Yeah, build a roof. And left click on this to get the dialog open so I can turn off auto rebuild roofs. I don't want them rebuilding. I got the roof I needed and wanted, so I'm done with that. Now, if I change a wall, now that this invisible wall here, I can delete it. See, nothing happened because I turned off auto rebuild roofs. Excuse me. Okay, next, I'm just go up to the terrain menu and create a terrain perimeter, and voila, you've got dirt underneath your model. And this has a dialog box. It's set to, excuse me, excuse me, to 20 1/8 inches. I'm going to set that to 7 inches. Let's look at that in a little bit. Let's see, this is a overview camera, that's fine. See, the foundation is still there. We click on the terrain plane, open its dialog box. Let's change it to 14 inches below the floor zero of the house. See it drop down a little bit. And there's the floor right there. You can see when I click on that wall, there's the floor inside. And I need to go lower. I'm trying to drop it 6 more inches. And now you get a little reveal of the foundation. But the floor is actually up here of the house. So you can jockey these things around to get exactly the effects that you want. But you just have to guide this software to a result. You can't just beat on it with a hammer. You have to set up conditions that it is pre-programmed to follow, and then you get a result. And only if you have the right settings or have done the right preparatory steps will you then get anything. All right. Well, I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.